Hello guys, this is Reese from Maurice, St. Peter's, Volkswagen in St. Louis. Today I'm bringing you a 2021 Volkswagen Atlas Crossport SEL Premium R-Line. This one's pure white with Titan black and quartzite leather on the interior. It features LED headlights, LED running lights, LED all-weather lights, LED tail lights, LED turn signals, LED reverse lights, quad faux exhaust tips, a tow hitch on the back for 5,000 pounds of towing, silver roof rails, panoramic sunroof, and a power sunshade, keyless entry on 4 doors, 21-inch alloy wheels, those are Brazeltons, and then the aggressive R-Line front end, the front-facing camera, and then the R-Line badge right there. We just got this one from another dealer, so this was not one that we had in stock. It's a nice looking car. Let's take a quick look inside, and by the way, this is 4Motion. That's all-wheel drive right there. It says Atlas right here. And here's a look at those really cool tail lights and the side marker lights there. On the interior here, oh, first off, puddle light right there. This one has it. On the interior, you do have the quartzite gray on the inset here and then the pad right here. And then leather seats right here. These are heated and ventilated seats along with the quartzite gray stripe right here. 3-seat memory, lumbar support forward and back, and seat back right here. As we climb in, you'll look at Volkswagen's digital cockpit right here with the 3 main customizable displays there. You have dial screen, crop screen, and widescreen, which are really nice, and they're customizable too. It's a adjustable, tiltable steering wheel here with the R-Line grip on the sides. Also, you have the R-Line badge right here. Automatic headlights, coin box for storage right here. 1 touch up, 1 touch down on the windows, along with power folding mirrors and heated mirrors. Trunk releases right here. So I can actually open this guy during contactless pickup, and I can actually lift up and hold, and that'll also close that hatch. Very nice. This is also a heated steering wheel, so your heated steering wheel is there, your mouse functions left and right, up and down are all right here, and then your voice commands right here, the new Volkswagen logo in the middle. Here's a look at the radio screen. It's an MIB2 radio, I'm sorry, MIB3 radio with gesture control. I can wave my hand in front of that and actually change the stations. Pretty cool that it does that. 36 presets, AM, FM, and satellite. AM is HD and FM is HD. You do also have a backup camera that's pretty fantastic. This is trajectory steering, and then you also have your green line that signifies going straight back, and the red line signifies where your bumper is, but that yellow line moves accordingly with the steering wheel. Pretty nice that it does that. You do also have voice command setups here, and you do also have a 360 camera right here. So I can push that button and it brings it up on the screen here, and I can touch a quadrant and change what is displayed. And I can touch the roof and bring it right back. I do also have park pilot, or park assist I should say. Park assist is going to control the steering while I control the gas, the gear, and the brake. So it'll tell me to pull forward. It'll differentiate between perpendicular and parallel parking as well, and it'll also do straight in parking. So I've got other videos of that where I've demonstrated that, so I'm going to turn that guy off. You do have an automatic parking brake or an electronic parking brake there where I can just lift up on that guy right there, and that activates it. Push my foot on the brake and push down to release. Super easy. Speaking of brakes and the gas pedal here, you do have stainless steel covered pedal caps there. You do also have dual climate zone up front on this car. So I can bring that up, turn that off. There is my menu there for the climate control. I also have air care that I can activate, which is my air filtration system. It's going to scrub that right there. These are backlit USB-C connections right here, so I can see those in the dark. And then I also have a charging pad right here, wireless charging pad, and then a 12-volt charger port there as well. Here's the key fob. This was one of 2. This is the non-fancy key fob right here. So you do have a panic alarm on that side, the Volkswagen logo on the back, and then your remote start, lock and unlock, and remote trunk hatch there. The other key is silver and is going to be fancier. It's got a little bit of chrome to it. There's a look at that air care, doing that filtration system there, that filtration scrubbing before it circulates the air in the cabin. Very nice. Silver finish across here and a carbon fiber finish in the middle, and then that continues into the door. Fender premium audio right there, so your AM, FM, and satellite is going to sound the best. So if I go to menu right here, I can go to sound. There's my Fender audio right there. I can also change the positions, moving this guy around. Pretty nice that you can do all that. There's the EQ. Up above, there's the speaker, an extra speaker that you have in the SEL and SEL Premium. And then right here, you do also have that little storage bin right there in all of the Atlases. This particular one does have the edgeless auto-dimming mirror with a digital compass, 3-door garage door memory on the bottom. Up here, you have a vanity light above the mirror. You have that on both sides, just like that, an LED light. And here's a look at that panoramic sunroof, that power sunshade. The sunroof opens up. There's your windscreen right there, and there's a look at your roof. It started raining outside, so I'm doing an inside video because I needed to get this one done before it's sold. Our sales have been crazy. We're selling cars fast, and we have multiple people trying to buy the same car. So inventory issues continue. Supply issues, I should say, are continuing right now. We don't have an inventory issue yet, but it's coming. There's a look at that Fender audio and the inset there. That's a climb out here. This one comes in at $52,375. The extras are going to include that MDO package right there and for $760, and then you also have the logo puddle lights for $200 and $195 for the extended maintenance for 30,000 miles. The rear seats are also going to be heated in this car. 2 more USB-C connections right here and a 3-prong plug-in right there. There's your heated seats for the back. And look through to the front. Instrument cluster and whatever right there. And there's a look up at that giant sunshade. You do have the gray inset in the door as well. These seats, as I said, are heated on the outside too. Armrest folds down right here. This is a brand new car, so you're going to have plastic over the cup holder here, I guess. Adjustable headrest right there, and also right here. Lots of leg room in this car, lots and lots and lots. Magazine pocket right here, another magazine pocket there, and you do have sunshades in the second row, only in the SEL Premium and SEL Premium R line. There's a look through again. 21-inch Brazelton wheels and those tail lights. Really dig those tail lights. And here's a look through to the back. With that MDO package, you get this cargo cover, the monster mat, and then that HomeLink mirror up there. There's a look through from the back to the front, and there's the sunroof up there if you can see it. Trunk lights on either side. It's recessed with bag hooks right here and here, and a power lift gate. This car comes with a 4-year, 50,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty on it from Volkswagen. It's 4 years, 50,000 miles. 2 years of free maintenance are baked into that. And if you buy from me at Maurice, St. Peter's, I'm going to give you a 3rd year for free. So your 10, 20, and 30,000 mile oil changes are all going to be covered. This particular car, though, is tricky in the fact that it has a 30,000 mile prepaid maintenance on there. So there's nothing extra on that one. This particular unit, you get the 3 years of free maintenance, and that's it. Also, if you buy from me at Bommarito St. Peter's, I'm going to give you a 10-year, 200,000 mile nationwide engine and powertrain warranty free of charge. No additional charge for that. If you're interested in this car, give me a call, 636-290-4257, 636-290-4257. I'm on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter at Reese Sells Cars. Thanks a lot, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, have a great 2021.